Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Trading Critique. Imagine a world where you can bet on almost anything, from who wins the next election to the future price of Bitcoin, or even if a new technology breakthrough will happen. That's Polymarket. Polymarket is a decentralized prediction market built on blockchain technology. It allows you to bet on real-world events by buying shares in possible outcomes, like yes or no. It's powered by the Polygon blockchain, meaning you get low fees and fast transactions. Here's how it works. First, you sign up, connect your Ethereum-compatible wallet, and fund it with USDC, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. You then choose a market that interests you. Want to bet on whether the 2024 presidential election will go a certain way? Or the next big crypto pump? You're covered. Most markets have two simple options: yes or no. The price of a share in each outcome reflects the probability of that event happening, as predicted by the collective users on the platform. For example, if yes costs 30 cents, it means the market thinks there's a 30% chance of that happening. One cool feature? You can trade your shares at any point before the market closes. Let's say you buy yes shares at 30 cents, and as news rolls in, the price shoots up to 70 cents. You can sell at that higher price and lock in a profit, without waiting for the final result. And since Polymarket is decentralized, it's powered by smart contracts, ensuring trustless and transparent transactions. The backbone is the Polygon blockchain, which handles thousands of transactions with minimal fees compared to traditional prediction markets. Once the outcome of a market is decided, for example, if Bitcoin hits $50,000 by the deadline, the market closes. If you predicted correctly, your shares get cashed out at $1 each. If you were wrong, they're worth $0. Simple as that. Here's another example. During the 2024 US elections, Polymarket had a market asking, "Will candidate X win?" The yes price hovered around $0.6, meaning the market was giving a 60% chance of a win. Imagine if you had bought shares early when they were priced lower. You could have sold them for a profit as the race tightened. Polymarket and decentralized prediction markets like it represent a new frontier in blockchain innovation. Imagine betting on financial markets, global events, or even the next big crypto trend, all with the speed and security of blockchain. So, whether you're a crypto trader, an investor, or just someone looking for a new way to leverage blockchain technology, Polymarket offers a unique and exciting way to speculate on the future. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and leave a comment if you've tried Polymarket.